So, my dear friends, now I am showing an example by diagram as how is your house wiring goes from where to where. Now let us start from outside. This face neutral, it will go to meter. From meter, always take care. Meter connection is faces are at outer, neutral is in between. So this is incoming. This will go to your board. This is house DB with MCCB, molded cage circuit breaker, main, ELCB for earth leakage circuit breaker. So normally this phase should go to this and from here to all these MCBs. These should always be looped. And from top you can take to different rooms. Suppose this is going to one room. And here is neutral. If you switch off this DB, main MCCB, neutral and the phase both will be cut. So no risk. So better if it is daytime, instead of putting off MCB before working in your room, it will also make you safe. If the phase is coming through MCB, not neutral. Some people what they do, they make it direct phase. And neutral is coming from here. You put off the MCB. Now what will happen? Neutral will be cut off, but the phase is coming to your switch, which can shock you. So always test these 2 points with your tester or meter, whether they are rightly connected or not. Suggest your electrician if he is making new wiring to keep in mind all these things, as well as now this is the earth. It should go to every equipment like fan, socket or any equipment, cooler, AC, washing machine, microwave, whatever it is. If you see 2 wires only going, there is something wrong. There should always be 3 wires with every equipment. This earth is a must. By chance it got short, there is leakage of current. With the help of this earth, this ELCB will trip. So there will be no current, no leakage current in the body of any equipment. This is the safety factor. And if the backside earthing is not so good from the electricity board, you make your own earthing, personal earthing beside the house by digging a hole and make it earthing. Some salt, some coal, put in that coal and a rod, copper rod, just bring that earthing here. So it is a quite safe thing. Now we are going from here to here. Suppose this switch got damaged due to overheating. You put more load, continuous load, and this switch got damaged. So first put off this MCB in night time. Or if it is daytime and others are not affected, better to put main MCB. So it will isolate both phase and neutral. No doubt whether this is phase is coming from black wire or red wire. So you can work it. So just take it out with the help of your tools. About the tools, I will make a video what type of tools you will need in this video itself. So suppose your fan, it is going slow, not moving fast, or it doesn't work. What can happen? This regulator can be damaged. So what to do? Take this connection direct to the switch and put it on. If the fan start working high speed, So means your regulator is damaged. So change this regulator. First, put off the MCB. Even then it is not working. Put it again to the regulator. Let it go to this. Means your problem is here. There is a condenser, or they call it capacitor also. Means that got damaged. Even after putting it off, when you remove this capacitor, be careful, because there is a charge current in the capacitor. If both the terminals will be short, it will spark. So very carefully remove it and put new capacitor, and your fan will start working. Same is with the tube light. Suppose the current is reaching up to this place and tube is not working, means tube is damaged. Suppose there is no current at these 2 points, means some problem in switch. Change the switch. But always be careful before working. I have repeated so many times. Use glove in one hand. Use rubber shoes. Your tools insulation on the grips should be good. Screwdriver, if it has a sleeve, so sometime when you working your finger goes to the tip, it will touch it, can be shocked. So better to choose screwdriver with the sleeve. So this is for it, and now we will move ahead with the tool section. Even some of you might have known about, come across with these tools. This is plier and this is screwdriver, inclusive of tester at the back side, and tip is changeable, star type and flat, both. So let me introduce little. Everybody knows about these tools. So just keep watching. This is nose plier. If you have to work inside the DB, so it helps a lot. The insulation tapes. You should have all these things in your home. Small things. And then will come, this is the set of screwdriver, different sizes of tips, and this is the screwdriver. You can buy this one only. Tip is changeable, star type and flat, both sides. And better to put a sleeve on it, rubber sleeve, so that your by chance finger touch, you will not shock. This is meter, multimeter, AC/DC, voltage measuring and continuity of the wire. So this hardly costs very less, but very useful. My dear friends, always get labeled or mark every MCB, which room number